Hi friends, I am Titak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the pi symbol on your WPS Office writer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to insert the pi on WPS Office document, you just go to the insert option here, then click on the symbol. So here you can see the pi just font, just click on the font, then you can just scroll down. You can want to search as French script. So it's on actually on a F. So just drag and find the French script. So free script, here also there is a pi option here. You can see the pi, it's actually a different type of pi, and then French script. So you just scroll down and find that here French script empty, and this is another type of pi. And you just also use a subset here. You just click on the basic Greek, and here you can have this type of pi. This is a longer pi, and the normal pi is actually this is a normal pi that we used. You can just insert from here. It's actually on a subset of basic Greek. You just insert from here and just copy and paste wherever that you want in your document. First of all, insert every symbol that you want in your document, then copy and paste it, because it's only an easier thing to make our work simple. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about WPS Office writer, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.